Trying to connect your wireless headphones or mouse, but can't figure out if Bluetooth is even turned on? In this video, I'll show you the 2 fastest ways to enable Bluetooth in Windows 11 so you can connect your devices immediately. The quickest way is right on your taskbar. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen where the Wi-Fi and volume icons are. Click that cluster of icons to open the quick settings menu. Look for the Bluetooth icon. If it's gray, it's off. Click it once to turn it blue. That means it's on. You can also right-click this icon and hit Go to Settings to pair a new device. If you don't see that icon, let's use the main settings menu. Click the Start button and select the Settings gear icon. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Right at the top, you'll see a big toggle switch for Bluetooth. Simply click it to turn it on. Once it's on, you can click the big square button that says Add Device to pair your headphones or mouse. Quick tip: if you turn Bluetooth on but your computer still isn't finding your device, make sure your device, like your headphones, is actually in pairing mode. Usually, you have to hold down a button on the headphones until a light flashes. Windows won't see it until you do that. And that's it. Your device should now be connected. If this video helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to Easy Tutorials and How-Toses for more quick Windows guides. Thanks for watching.